This is Paint Live TV. I'm Chris, the Idaho Painter, and I'm out here getting ready to paint an accent wall at Boise CrossFit here in Boise, Idaho. And I've got some big cracks in the block wall, and I'm caulking these cracks. There's a lot of expansion and contraction in here, and you don't want to use a cheap caulking because it's going to dry out and it's actually going to crack again, and you're going to see these big cracks. You want something that's going to bond really well and that's going to stretch really well. I really like using a product from Tower. This is acrylic urethane elastomeric sealant, and this stuff has amazing adhesion and it expands up to 50%. So it's going to work great for filling these cracks right here. You don't want to use anything cheap. This is a lifetime warranty product right here. I'm using it just white. It's paintable. It's not a silicone product, so you can paint right over. So once again, this is a water-based product. It cleans up with water at the end, so you don't have to have anything like mineral spirits to clean up with. It's a high-performance class 25 sealant with 50% joint movement, so it's really going to stretch and flex really good when it comes to, joints and stuff like that. And I use it for caulking interior and exterior on houses and stuff. I use it for a lot of different things. I use white most of the time, but I do use this same product for caulking over my tape. I will use clear, so I got videos on that if you want to see how I caulk over tape to get laser straight lines. This is a product, once again, from Tower Sealants, and it ranges around $3.50 to $4 a tube. So one other caulking I want to show you, other than the Tower urethane elastomeric caulking, I also use when I'm doing block or stucco. This is a really cool product that I really like also from Tower, and this is a category 5 elastomeric patching compound, and it's got really good adhesion, really good flexibility, but it's textured, it's sanded, so it matches when you're caulking cracks in stucco or block. If you're really concerned about having smooth spots in your stucco or your block, you can use this product. It's another great product from Tower, and Tower, their products are really high-end products that don't have pops, which are really annoying when you get an air bubble in your caulking tube, because it will eventually pop and splatter caulking at the end, but it also renders your dripless caulking guns not dripless until that air bubble comes out. They are Tower products, and once again, this is a Tower sealant. It's elastomeric category 5 patching compound that's textured or sanded. So there you have it, two great products, two caulking products that I really use inside and outside from Tower. If you've ever used this stuff, let us know down in the comment section below. We would love to hear what you have to say. If you got a favorite caulking that works for you, also just share that information down below and we'll give it a test out. If you want us to review it, we'll even review it for you. Leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time we come out with a new video. We'll see you next time. Out.